South African Paralympian sprinter Oscar Pistorius has been sentenced to 5 years in prison after being convicted of culpable homicide. That was the first charge in terms of the death of his girlfriend, Riva Steenkamp, on 14th of February 2013. The sensational trial lasted over 48 days between March and today, and he's also been handed a 3-year suspended sentence for possession of firearm.
It was judgment day for Olympian Oscar Pistorius. As Judge Masipa sealed the Blade Runner's fate in the Pretoria court.
Mr. Pistorius, please rise. The following is what I consider to be a sentence that is fair and just both to society and to the accused. Count 1, culpable homicide. The sentence imposed is a maximum imprisonment of 5 years.
Sentenced to 5-year jail, the South African Blade Runner was deemed guilty of culpable homicide in the Riva Steenkamp murder case.
Very clear several occasions. She said as much as she's taken into account the fact that there is a public responsibility here, there's a responsibility to society, she has to balance it all very carefully with the accused and with the degree and the nature of the crime. All those factors had to be weighed up very carefully before she decided to come up with the sentence, which is 5 years.
Pistorius was taken to the Pretoria Central Jail, where the Blade Runner will be staying for 10 months. While questions are being raised on the sentencing, Steenkamp family has backed the 5-year jail term.
Doesn't matter, he's going to pay something.
Do you think justice has been served?
Yes.
Do you have anything to say to us?
Do you have anything, June? It's been a long journey for you. It's been a tremendous... You're exhausted.
I've made a comment to you now, and I'm just glad it's over. Okay.
He might have escaped maximum punishment, but this verdict can bring the curtains down on the career of one of the most successful athletes in South Africa. Sports Bureau, Times Now.
Joining us live from Pretoria via Skype is Jack Steenkamp, a journalist who's been following very closely the Oscar Pistorius court trial. Jack, thanks for talking to us here on Times Now on The Game. He's been sentenced to 5-year term. How many months does he have to actually spend in jail before he can get out or the courts can show him some leniency?
So if he comes out in 10 months from now, for the next 4 years and 2 months, he'll still have to basically be under correctional supervision at home, basically. So in that 4 years and 2 months, he'll be at home. He'll still have to have parole conditions, and he won't be able to commit any crimes, like I say, like get involved with any bar brawls, anything like that. So because if, say, in 2 years' time from now, he's in a bar fight, and someone lays a charge against him, his parole will be revoked and he'll have to go back to prison. So only after 5 years, basically, he'll be free to do what he wants to do. Then he'll serve out his total time and he won't be held responsible by the courts.
But Jack, soon after Judge Masipa's sentencing, there were some mixed reactions. A lot of people who have been following the trial felt that she's been very lenient. What's the view?
I think if she gave him correctional supervision, like most of the defence witnesses asked for, and he didn't spend time behind bars, a lot of more people would have been angry about that. But at least he's going to prison for some time now. But the other thing as well, we're sure the state will appeal. Oscar's uncle, Arnold Pistorius, has indicated they will not appeal. So, I mean, they're happy with the sentence. But the state now has 14 days, 2 weeks, in which to file their apply for leave for appeal, so that they can appeal against the conviction and the verdict and the sentencing.
Well, thanks.